The sensors. The Avata does not overbid. No doubt, in order to remain light, it relies on satellite positioning, working with American GPS, Chinese Beidou, and European Galileo. The Russian Glonass seems to have been sidelined on DJI's latest drones. The position acquisition speed is fast with excellent results, even in difficult environments, natural and urban canyoning interior. Undergrowth. It has a TOF sensor to measure the height from the ground and two vertical cameras that allow you to freeze the device in place and manage its movement. They work up to a height of 20 meters according to DJI. No sensors on the front, nor on the back, nor on the top, nor on the sides. Note that the Avata does not have vertical lighting LEDs either, unlike the DJI FPV. The camera. It's based on a 1 out of 1.7 inch CMOS 48 megapixel sensor for a fixed focal of f2.8 lens, 20.6mm in 35mm equivalent for an FOV of 155 degrees with a 16 by 9 or a 4 by 3 ratio. In photos, it shoot in 12 megapixels, 4000 by 3000 pixels, 4 by 3, and 4000 by 2250, so 16 by 9. It's a mechanically stabilized and controllable on one axis, that of the pitch, the inclination. The rest of the stabilization is done in the software. We'll see that later. This camera displays characteristics very similar to those of the DJI Action 2.